Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did a video on how to clean up this Y and P, and then somebody suggested on one of my videos to do it a little differently, to make rectangles and then use that rectangle all throughout. And it does make a little bit of sense. That way your rectangles are the same. So I hit the plus key on the keyboard. This way your rectangles are all the same thickness. And then you could do a lot with it. We could rotate this one 90 degrees. And I mean, look at that. And then you could, and it's going to be a little bit different. Now, if we hold down the control button, so it'll move sideways and click it there. So we've really got it. We're going to take one more rectangle and have it snapped. If I grab that corner, I'll have it snapped to there. Now, we still need to, and I'm a little bit off. Let me move this rectangle down just a hair. And by doing that, we have to, this way all your, and it does make good sense, all your rectangles will be the same thickness, which is a good point. It's going to be a little bit different in the, and see, maybe in this case, it doesn't even help because that part of the Y is shorter than that part of the Y, but we could always take a 2-point line, holding down the, well, and I'm not perfect on that. So let's take this and stretch it to there. Then take a 2-point line, holding down the control button. So we get a perfect line. Now, I don't think I'm all the way to the edge. So you can take your shape tool and bring it up. And then we can go and we'll move this out of the way and we'll delete lines that we don't need. And then we're actually gonna curve it another way. So we're gonna go through here and we have that Y. Now, if we take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and this would work on the Y and the P, then we're gonna left click, right click. Now let's bring in the real logo and the corners that need to be turned. We can use go up here to Windows, Docker's corners, and I'm gonna back up here. Let me select it, and we're gonna go like, I think it was 0.07 a while ago. But what we need to do is signify, and I keep backing up and losing my graphic. If we go up here and I'll go to object and convert the outline to an object, maybe it'll help us. I wonder if I got 2 lines now. Nope, still good. And then we can take these nodes. So we need to put a little curvature to this one so we can go apply and see it's too much. So we can go like 0.03, hit apply because we've selected that node. And this would be a good case, to put it on top of your logo. And if I would have nudged it, that would have helped a little bit. Now I'm going to make my line yellow so you can see it a little better. Now we're going to grab the shape tool and grab this node, and we'll go that 3, and it's not quite enough, so we'll bump it up to 7. Like the other ones. A lot of times you have to actually back up. You know, and I think I've got 2. Nope. I thought I had. So we're going to grab those 2 nodes and hit apply. Grab these 2 nodes and let's go back to 0.03. This is pretty good. I don't know if it's faster, but at least your lines will be even. I mean, all the rectangles will be the same size. Take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. That way you get rid of those lines and then left click, right click, and of course you could make it anything you want, but that's that pretty close to that Y. I think we got them all. So I thank that viewer or subscriber for kind of reminding me of that. You know, and so what I'm saying now, all my rectangles are the same thickness. We'll just kind of prove that with a parallel dimension tool. So that is 0.13. That is 0.13. That is 0.13. So they're all the same. I'm pretty sure mine were the same too. but there's just another way to do it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.